It looks like you were maybe considering hearing out an offer on the property. How are you doing?
Okay, a little too much. A little too much on the hop. Hey everybody, welcome to my show. My name is David Choi. Today, doing another sales training, showing these guys how to convert text message leads without creating sales resistance. How you go about it, how you open and transition to learning more about the property so you can close more deals. All right, so tune in, I'll catch you later. 10 minutes, let's go. All right.
That really looks like it's in a hotel.
You said you look like you're in a hotel room. No, that's a D1 All-American award right there. That's a Princeton degree, you wish. Daniel, let's go with you today. So, text message lead. Seller said, what's your offer?
Ring.
Hello?
Hey, David?
Yeah.
Hey, David, this is Dan. We just sent you a text message earlier. You had mentioned you were interested in hearing out an offer on the property on Main Street.
I'm stopping you real quick. The text came in, he texted you what your offer. You didn't text him what your offer, right? Mm-hmm. So, don't say we sent you a text out. You responded to our text about your property, asking what the offer is. You gotta explain to him this is inbound. You reached out to me. Yeah, we sent these out, but you answered.
Funny enough, I actually did use that intro, but then they came back at me and was like, no, I didn't respond to you, you responded to me. And I'm like,
okay,
I think that's a one-off.
that's happened before, like they gave me that.
Yeah, so they will always give you that.
Okay.
They will always give you that. This is what I like to say. Say, hello.
Yeah, hello?
Hey, Dan.
Yeah, who's this?
Yeah, Dan, you've been going back and forth with my assistant, Rachel, about your property on 123 Main Street. It looks like you're maybe open to receiving an offer on the property?
Yeah, what's your offer?
Oh, and then you go right into it. Awesome, gonna get you that offer right away. Seems like you're busy. Just gonna confirm some information so I can make you the best offer possible. I'm looking online, it looks like a 2-family.
Yes, it is.
Okay, perfect. So, write that down right.
Like if you're just nice on the phone, you can say whatever.
Like, I treat every lead like it's the last lead I'll ever talk to in my entire life. I really do. I treat them like that person is the last person that could ever refer me new business. Seriously. Like, you guys don't understand, like, every lead is gold. I would go boom, right into the message thread. Who's checking? Maybe you could gain some
You
context.
can even read the message. Yeah. Because they might even have maybe thrown a number. Some people will throw straight a number. 400,000, 500,000.
So, it looks like you've been going back and forth with my assistant, Sophia. It looks like you were hoping to maybe receive an offer for your property here on 123 Main Street. How you doing today? Smile, big smile. I just do a little laugh throughout. It just like makes people like, they're not used to that. No one's used to good energy all the time. Just hit them with good energy, you know? So I always hit them with a little, how you doing today? And just like a massive smile every time. Smile through the phone. Okay? So let's run it up.
Ring.
Hello?
Hey, David?
Yeah?
Hey, David, this is Dan. Looks like you were going back and forth with my assistant, Sophia. It sounded like you were interested in hoping to hear out an offer.
Looks like you were maybe considering receiving an offer for the property.
It looks like you were maybe considering hearing out an offer on the property on the 123 Main Street. How are you doing?
Yeah, okay, a little too much. A little too much on the hop. Just to smile and say, how you doing today? Okay? Just do the how you doing today.
How you doing today?
Good, okay. You sound way better.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna hit you with my first rebuttal. Yeah, what's your offer?
Totally understand, David. You sound pretty busy right now. Do want to pepper you with some questions so I can get you that.
Let's stop right there. You might not get away with that.
That's what I'm saying. You gotta just go right into it. I feel like you gotta go right into it because saying all that, you're telling the guy what you're gonna do. He might just be like, no, dude, I'm not doing that. And I know David loves it, but he get away with it all the time, right? But I feel like for us, like, just go into it. Awesome. I just want to don't say all that. I know you're a busy guy. Just get right into it because you don't know how long you're gonna stay on the call.
Yeah, I love that. So, what's your offer? Is
awesome. So I just want to confirm. I have here in the notes. This is single family, 3-bed, 2-bath.
You know how we just switched up on him with that last bit? If I asked a question and someone didn't answer my question, I'm immediately slightly annoyed. Okay? However, if you end that sentence with that peak curiosity, like high curiosity, 2 baths, then it almost like changes the dynamic and the framing of the conversation. I don't know why, but like naturally it just occurs. So what I want you to do is Okay, wonderful. So I just want to confirm some information. This is a 2-family? Do it like that. Hit it with that kind of peak at the end, okay? Hello?
Yeah, David?
Yeah?
Hey, David, this is Dan. Looks like you were going back and forth with my assistant, Sophia. You were hoping to receive an offer on the 123 Main Street property?
Oh yeah, what's the offer?
Yeah, wonderful. Just want to confirm. This is the 2-family with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms?
Perfect. Much better. So I would say, it looks like you were hoping to maybe, I always like just do a little maybe because it just disarms them. It reduces the sales resistance that we're maybe hoping to, and during that, like when I reference what they're saying, that's when I do a little giggle. Like, it looks like you were maybe hoping to, that's when I would do something weird there, right? A little giggle. And then a big smile. So, hello?
Yeah, hello?
Hi, Dan. It looks like you were going back and forth with my assistant, Sophia. It looks like maybe you were hoping to receive an offer for this property on 123 Main Street. How you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Okay. And then they say, what's the offer? You go, wonderful. I just want to confirm, this is a 2-family? Hit it like that, okay?
Okay. Ring.
Hello?
Hello, David?
Yeah.
Hey, David, this is Dan. Looks like you were going back and forth with my assistant, Sophia. Looks like you were kind of maybe hoping to hear out an offer on property 123 Main Street. How are you doing?
Okay, good. A little better. Good. Improvement. You want to go?
Sure.
Okay. Hello?
Hey, David?
Yeah.
Hey, David, this is Nick. I see you're going back and forth with my assistant Sophia about maybe to hear an offer on your property on 123 Main Street. How you doing today?
Let's go with you.
Ring.
Hello?
Hello, David?
Yeah.
Hey, David, this is just Eric. I see you were going back and forth with my teammate Sophia about potentially getting an offer on your property on 123 Main Street.
Good. Bob?
Ring.
Hello?
Hey, good morning. Is this David?
Who the heck is calling? I'm just kidding. Who the heck is calling?
No worries. I didn't mean to bother you. This is just Bob calling from Leverage. Saw you were actually going back and forth with my assistant Sophia here. You're looking to maybe get an offer on 123.
No, man, no. What are you talking about? I'm not thinking about selling.
Oh, you weren't?
Selling what?
No, I had here that you were looking to get this property sold here. That's not no longer the case?
Nah, man. You guys could be texting me, calling me. Come on, man.
Oh no, I had here in my notes that this was a single family, 3-bed, 2-bath. Is that still this property?
Yes, property, man. Look, where am I gonna go? You gonna kick me out of my house?
No, that's actually one of the benefits of working with us is we're not looking to take you.
All right, good job, guys.
Say no, I'm sorry. It smiles like that.
I'm just. He's double dipping right now, right?
I don't know the screen came in yet.
When's the screen coming in, Oscar?
I believe on Thursday.
2 screens, right?
2 screen and a CPU as well, yeah.
All right, just text me what it costs. This guy's buying a gamer setup. Guy going crazy.